June is right around the corner, and with it comes the 2015 Atlantic hurricane season. South Jersey is no stranger to big storms, and the Emergency Management Flight wants to make sure that you are prepared. Airman First Class Cohen Hill has some tips for you and your family.
So one of the biggest things with being prepared is that people get too comfortable after a few hurricanes have come through, so they get comfortable and don't really worry about it as much. So one of the biggest things is you need to go ahead and get a kit. It should be a 72-hour kit that should last you at least for 3 days without power or water. So and in that kit it should include like non-perishable foods, also water and such.
Log on to ready.gov for a complete list of items for your 72-hour kit and for more resources on hurricane preparedness. Also, be sure to monitor our Facebook page for weather advisories throughout the season. For Joint Base Public Affairs, I'm First Lieutenant Carrie Volpe.